So hello, good morning everyone! Another day na naman po tayo, another new life, and God bless us all. Welcome back to my channel! Tara, luto muna tayo! So for today's episode, gagawa po muna tayo ng patates börek or potato bread. So ayan, all we need to have is potato and 4 onions, parsley, cheese, and dough. Black pepper, red pepper, salt. So ayan, we need to grate the potatoes. And then chop the onions. Aray, napagapa yata ako. Bilis ka na, kaya niya yan. Chop the parsley. Okay, now put all the ingredients, all the spices, and mix it all. Of course, don't forget to add the cheese. Pero optional lang naman po yan. So these are the dough that my mom made. All you need to do is fill in this dough and fold it into half. Thank you everyone again for watching my another video. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell para updated po kayo sa lahat ng aking mga videos. Bye-bye!